If you would like to record yourself to make a video for your students in Google Classroom, one of the easiest ways to do it is to use an app called Photobooth. So if you have a MacBook, you could do this. So to do that, you would click on F4, click on Photobooth to open it. That's a shortcut way of opening it. You can always press Go Apps to open up Photobooth. And then once you're there, it's probably going to open up. It might even say Welcome to Photobooth, and you might have to cancel a window. But it usually opens up to your camera. So this is the camera. If I was to take a picture of myself, I could click this red button, smile. Remember to look at the green dot at the top, not directly at yourself, because then you'll look like you're looking down. But that's a picture. If you wanted to make a video recording, what you could do is go right here. So that is the camera. That's a still picture. This is a movie. So when you notice it changed to a movie camera. So if I click right here right now, say I wanted to read a book out loud to my students or something, I could just click right here. Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read the story, 10 Apples Up on Top. And let's pretend I read that story. When I was done, I would hit stop sign. Okay, I would get my video and it would be down here. You could definitely go ahead and Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read the story, 10 Apples Up on Top. Now, one thing you might want to make sure you have, you'll notice that my camera was right. Sometimes this auto flip new items is backwards. So you definitely, when a camera's looking at you, sometimes like if the words are backwards, make sure you go up to where it says edit and make sure auto flip new items are on. I think it's preset that way, but it may not be. And I think the easiest way to do this would be to just grab this video right to your desktop. And then what I'm going to do is take this video. Now, if you want to rename this, you obviously could. Right now it says movie made at the time I'm making it. But I could definitely change that name to anything I want. So if I wanted to call it 10 Apples Up on Top or something, I could. So then obviously I would take that video, go into my Google Classroom. Now, I could drag that video to my Google Drive. That's what I usually do, but some people would like to bypass that step. So you can go right to where it says like your class and go into classwork, create. I would put this as a material, but if you want to make this an assignment, like read this and you have a quiz after it or something, that's fine. But I'm just going to write 10 apples up on top. And I tapped it down, so where it says add right here, I can press add. Now, if you put it in your Google Drive earlier, you can just add it from your drive, but I'm just going to put file. Right here it says drag your file, so I'm just going to drag that video right there that I made, 10 apples up on top. I'm going to press upload. It's not a very long video, so it won't take long. Okay, and then you're just going to post. And the students will be able to just go right here and watch that video when they go to see it. Now, if it might, when you first put this on here, it might say it's still processing the video. So that's very common. So, but again, it will just play that video on their device. They'll be able to see it and respond. So it's how to make a quick little video if you want to see yourself on camera with a MacBook.